Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì wa ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Ṣé dáadáa la bá yín? Kẹ́ẹ̀bẹ́ ti mọ̀ pé ẹlẹ́nu òrókó ni wá kí n ta bá dẹ̀ máa ṣòrókó lé lórí. A máa ti ṣèwádìí lóníkúlẹ̀kúlẹ̀ tó ti pa mọ́ sórí ìkànnì yìí fún yín láti gbọ́ àti láti wò ó. Ìyàwó Ṣobọ́lá rèé. Ìyàwó Ṣobọ́lá mà tún jáde tán. Ìyàwó Ṣobọ́lá tún pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní June 12. Ẹ wo gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ mọ̀ nípa nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní June tí ẹ gbogbo ẹ̀ máa mọ̀ lórí ìkànnì gbogbo bí ìyàwó Ṣobọ́lá ṣe tún pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ wo fídíò wọn alẹ́ tà máa play fún gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ti mọ̀ lórí ìkànnì. Tó bá yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé èyí tó ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa bá a subscribe kó like kó comment kó share wàá lè máa jẹ wá àǹfààní content yìí ní ìgbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè tá a bá fi lè ṣàwá lè máa fi ṣe ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye. Kẹ́hìn mi sọ pé fídíò wọn alẹ́ tà máa play ẹ wo ìyàwó Ṣobọ́lá tún fídíò náà rèé ó yẹ máa bá a ká lọ.
Talk about some secret that you don't know today. Okay, about pastors. The pastors that were part of people and reason why Abiola was killed and people who kill. And let's go to the story of pastors, how Abiola was killed. The first offense, rich people, they are friends to rich to themselves. Ọ̀rẹ́ olówó máa ń ṣọ̀rẹ́ olówó. Wọ́n ní olùṣẹ́ máa ṣọ̀rẹ́ olóṣì. Ó ti yé yín Oyènúsì lọ̀rẹ́ àwọn kan ọ̀rẹ́ oyinbóyè Oyènúsì lọ̀rẹ́ hush puppy ẹ mọ̀ pé hush puppy Nàìjíríà hush puppy yẹn bó ṣe wà yẹn náà ó ní ọ̀rẹ́ lára irísì náà fi rán àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ hush puppy àti gbogbo wọn irú òṣìṣẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ hush puppy I don't know, maybe you know person that is hush puppy's friend. He also contributed to this because some people send them to come and take my life, that they must pay to the system here, that I must not come out alive. Yes. And pastors are part of it. The fight going on in Nigeria that pastors pretend to be praying for Nigeria only and Ladao is a game and it's a contract. There was a time they were been fighting about jihad, not jihad, that the Muslim people want to have more land. They want to have more. They actually want Nigeria to be like Saudi Arabia. They are peaceful, no crime. There's no country without crime, but there's no killing like the way if you are not a criminal, you cannot be killed. Criminal, they will kill them special. They will kill them. They don't spare them, okay? So Nigeria and some people, when they see the way things are going in the system, they want that Nigeria to be like Saudi Arabia. And that's what they call this day. Saudi Arabia, when you be like Saudi Arabia, then you will be more close to God. Your crime will be lesser. Listen good. They planned this that say they want to be a jihad. That's what they call jihad. They said this have been in plan for long anyway, but Abiola also a partaker of it. Abiola, yes. And that's why he's very close to the northerner before. Until I know the people who also want to, anybody doing the business of cartel should not be a jihad. And also, all our rich Yorubas, that's their business. Apart from doing that cartel business, drug business, they will do fraud. They said they privatize all our resources. I remember then, I'm coming. The Nitel, Megidana said something that everybody coming out to say whatever Babangida has done to them, this and that and that. That is good. Saying it, everybody just want to be frank. Oh, this is how I got this. So, but you see now, Hausa, some people have come out to say their own. That is Megidana have said, okay, and some people who gave money too. But Yoruba you do see them coming out to say anything. They mute. Abosipo, they will mute. They will pretend to be, and people start saying now they want to prove Abiola. Babangida for Kirikan, and even Kushem Kuti too is talking. All these people, if they tell the story of their father, they will know their father is a criminal, original one. But I don't want to talk about any Yoruba because now they say you are rude. I promise and I pledge not to be rude, but also tell the truth. So, the wife of Abiola, that's the mother of Kola Abiola, Simbiat. Simbiat, actually the family of Simbiat, respect to all of them, but I call them by them. I'm sorry, ma'am. They are late. Simbi, according to history, is a little bit the mother, the family a little bit okay than family of Abiola. Abiola is very came from a very poor background. Baba Abiola, you know. In fact, they said he was telling story one day that ilé wọn wọ́n ti kọ́kọ́ jẹ ẹyin pé wọ́n kọ́kọ́ dín ẹyin láyé pé wọ́n ń jẹ ẹyin nílé tiwọn because wọ́n pọ̀ gan. There was a deal between the business wọ́n ti ń ṣe yẹn. This cartel business, it also happened to later Abiola's wife, friend to Babangida, you know, Baba, they allegedly, but it's not even alleged. Money. Don't let me go deeper into the business, the money, the things that cause trouble. And now I just want to tell you, pastors, how they will involve. So when that trouble, each time there was a time, the churches, you know, the churches also, the people who sponsoring them, they said that who gave them the Bible are Europeans, you understand? So there was a Bible coming. There was a Bible coming then to Nigeria, which they say Abiola promised that Bible wọ́n sọ fún wọn níbẹ̀ náà ni pé if you can stop it, because you understand me, because majority of those Bible is coming to our land, that will go to east, west. I don't think they are going to north. Bible wọ̀nyẹn wọ́n da Bible yẹn sómi. Abiola ò tí ì ní problem ní ìgbà tí wọ́n ti ń discuss story Abiola àtàwọn Christian tí wọ́n ti ń discuss yẹ what is going to happen to him. And majority of these people also, they marry. You know, if you want to get into the heart of a woman, a man, definitely you can use the wife, you can use the children, those who are dear to him. Number one, gbogbo Bible tí wọ́n kó bọ̀ ń gbà yẹn, Abiola náà ló dá sódò. So, pastor, they fight, but they fight secretly. All right? The part of ikú tó pa Abiola, after, when people set you up, just like when Christians have done, and they want to kill somebody, wọ́n rán ogun tó ju ọjọ́ orí ẹ̀ sí ẹ. Ẹ lọ bèrè dáadáa o. Wọ́n rán ogun tó ju ọjọ́ orí ẹ̀. Tí àwọn Christian bá fẹ́ pa ẹ́, wọ́n lè mú ẹ sáàrin kó máa gbàdúrà fún ẹ. Wọ́n ti mọ̀ pé àdúrà yẹn ò ní nǹkan kan ṣe pẹ̀lú ayé ẹ̀. And then wọ́n wá bẹ ogun tó ju ọjọ́ orí ẹ̀ lọ sí ẹ. Nígbà tí wọ́n ti ń fight fún democracy, because lára àwọn tó ti ń sọ pé wọ́n fight fún democracy, the way these people are ṣe kirikan, you know, those women, àwọn èèyàn tó súnmọ́ wọn àtàwọn Yorùbá o àti ọ̀dà o àti Igbo, they stuck in the prison yard, they discuss. Even when they were arrested or wọ́n wà ní ìpamọ́, they believe that okay, if democracy tó bá wà o, many things going to be more softer, more easier. You understand me? Before Abiola kan tó pè wọ́n pé kó wá jẹ president, the wife of Abiola said, don't try it. don't try to be, just let us be. Kọ́ máa ṣe business wọn bí àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ṣe ń lò wọ́n as a depot. A lot of people loaned money into Abiola's. Yes. The wife of Baba Abiola, wọ́n máa ní ọmọdé ò kì í sọ story wọn, but reason tí mo tí àṣẹ mi ò mọ̀ pé mo máa di tó bá jẹ́ pé mo like láti máa kọ ìwé gan parara. I'll be a writer, I'll be a journalist, but I don't like writing. Even from school, I don't like writing too much, you know. Okay? Ìgbà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ campaign, tán fẹ́ use ẹ̀ tán sọ pé okay o, Abiola náà máa use, but wọ́n má dẹ̀ ti use ẹ̀ tán. Wọ́n bá máa dump Abiola. Baba Abiola ni mo sọ, respect to Yorùbá o. Yorùbá, but I'm telling story. Wọ́n bá máa ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún wọn yẹn. Babangida bá máa ṣe nǹkan yẹn fún wọn. But he get to a stage, àkàìmọye nǹkan tí wọ́n ní wọ́n award fún àwọn náà. Abiola, Baba Abiola, he has a lot of owó oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tí wọ́n jọ ń tí you know tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ lọ sí ó dà pé kán fẹ́ lọ́ǹdì owó ń sìn. This is how they loan money. Wọ́n máa ń wá ẹni tó bá wà faithful. Don't believe pé he cannot betray me. Everybody tó bá ní owó, they look for faithful people. You understand? Ìyàwó Abiola àti Babangida bọ́n ṣe discuss ẹ̀ táwọn tó ń discuss ẹ̀ lójú wa torí àwọn pastor they are involved o. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ìyàwó Babangida ò kì í ṣe Muslim? Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ ṣá? Ọmọ Yíbò ni wọ́n. But mi wá lè sọ bóyá wọ́n wẹ̀ wọ́n kà fún wọn. Because of that, àwọn cartel yìí, àwọn mafia yìí, àwọn leaders yìí, tó bá ti jẹ́ pé ojú wọn ràn burúkú tó dẹ̀ máa ń ojú wọn ràn gbogbo wọn majority lójú wọn máa ń ràn in another form different from ṣèṣiyẹ. Ẹ máa rí pé ńgbà tí wọ́n ní Abiola bẹ̀rẹ̀ campaign, mò ń bọ̀ náà. Ẹ máa rí pé gbogbo mọ́ṣáláṣí tó tóbi ní north wọ́n ní Abiola ló kọ́. And they have to stop him because Baba Buhari òótọ́ irọ́ ni most to me téèyàn ò bá ti pààyàn tó ti jẹ́ pé nǹkan Ọlọ́run fẹ́ ṣe I love it. Because ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ pọ̀ gan ní orílẹ̀-èdè wa, atrocity is so much. Do you understand? Atrocity is so much. Most of the time mi sọ pé okay o kàn máa torí pé tó bá ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kékeré báyìí sharia ò ní spare èèyàn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ possible kó jẹ́ pé àwọn tó bá lówó wọ́n ní bóyá sharia ò kí ràn but ní Saudi no. Sharia máa ń ran everybody. Wọ́n fi máa ń kọ̀bọ̀ àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè láti má ṣe burúkú. Ó ti yé. Ní ìgbà tí wọ́n ń ṣe campaign wọn, I am not against anybody and I'm telling you this not because of I'm saying it for peace sake also. I'm not fighting for anybody. So Abiola was very much involved. Good morning. ìgbà tọ́lọ́run máa wá ṣe wọ́n wá jọ ní deal Abiola àti àwọn wọn ìjọ ń ṣòwò àwọn àti wọn ìjọ ń ṣe deal àwọn àti bàbá àti Babangida. And one thing about Babangida is this: respect how he's a very nice person. Wọ́n fi Nàìjíríà ṣe báyìí jẹ́ kí n jẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ kọ́ mẹ́ chop ní wọ́n máa ń pè wọ́n make I chop ìjọba shop make I shop ló fi Nàìjíríà ṣe either east west north and south everybody will eat. Wọn ò fẹ́ Yorùbá o ọ̀dọ̀ wọn lè ní girlfriend Yorùbá o but ìyàwó wọn is a Igbo is an able person. Àwọn wá láti Minna. Babangida gbọ́ Yorùbá wọ́n sọ Yorùbá dáadáa. Mi lè sọ bóyá bàbá Buhari gbọ́ Yorùbá mi mọ̀ bóyá father-in-law mi gbọ́. I'm just calling them a father-in-law, you know. Hausas, you know. Wọ́n wá ti betrayed. These people, mo ti sọ story kan nípa ìyàwó sójà kan rí, I will not repeat it. If you marry to them, let me tell you, these soldiers, if you don't maintain your hand, if you don't maintain, tó bá tó time kan tó bá ní wọ́n fẹ́ slot orí èèyàn wọ́n lè slot orí ìyàwó wọn like wọ́n fi ṣe slot wọn torí ẹ̀ ojú wọn ti dá tí wọn bá rí àyè pa irú Àbáṣà yẹn ìyàwó wọn yẹn màmá tó sì wà ń bẹ̀ tó wá ń rìn kí wọ́n wá ń bọ́ wọn ṣe yẹn wọ́n ti pa wọ́n ti pẹ́ àwọn náà ti kú bí ìyàwó Babangida. Do you know what gave me audacity to speak? It's because of the sufferings I've been through and what they have innocent child me. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ fi orí ọ̀tá mi gba pààrọ̀, exchanging me for somebody else because you work. The person actually work for one of the wife of these people. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi orí mi gba pààrọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n kábíyèsí Elédùmarè tí ó gbà fún ọ̀tá mi. Abiola was part of it. But today mo ń sọ fún yín pé àwọn pastor gbogbo wọn yìí àjàjà àwọn tó ti pẹ́ àtàwọn àjàjà ṣèṣì they fight secretly. Babangida also was, I think allegedly, àwọn èèyàn tó náà fẹ́ máa prove Babangida how many cases lè fẹ́ prove wọn fún wọn kò sọ̀rọ̀ ní pé people should forgive àbí kíní kan torí pé ní nǹkan táwọn náà fẹ́ mú jáde báwọn ṣe wá jẹ́wọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n jẹ́wọ́ lára ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọn wọ́n fẹ́ tú àwọn míì tó bá yá náà wọ́n fẹ́ káwọn others people also come and tell us what you have done to the system. But others, because they believe that others' sin also may be also tougher than his own. That is why. And he said he is responsible for the cancellation of June 12, that actually June 12. The government doesn't go to Abacha directly. Abacha also hijack, like overthrow. First, they took out, wọ́n lọ shoot èèyàn láti ìlú Abẹ́òkúta, which is Ane Ṣólékàn is also part of Ane Ṣólékàn. Ṣe mọ̀ pé he also is not a Christian, he's not a Muslim. all the people who have hand in the death want is a planting, you understand? In the death, nínú ikú Abiola, wọ́n fi ṣe, and then Babangida said, I step aside. Ìyẹn mi pé stepping aside, I just step aside. Step aside just mean mo kàn yà sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ díẹ̀ ni, I'm not out of the government. I'm coming back. I can take the government back anytime I want it. That is meaning of stepping aside. Step aside. I step aside. Mo lọ mú annexion kan for interim government. It's from Abeokuta. I think it's a Christian. Is partaker of it. Pastors are much involved. Wọ́n lè ṣe gbọ́ pé wọ́n ní story ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀. People came from Europe. Ebu King tó control Canada ń bí bàyìngbà náà. Tó ti, a lot of people came from Europe or they came from abroad. Pope. Some Pope also visited Nigeria. They have a meeting. In the villa before they decide whatever. But they're now shouting Abasha, Abasha, Abasha. Abasha is not. But the inti Abiola ṣe tí wọ́n fi rí pé wọ́n try wọn wò. When the wife died, when the wife of Abiola died, that is Simbi. They have deed already. A lot of money was over between ìyàwó Abiola àti Babangida fúnra wọn, and Abiola too is aware of it. But when the wife died, he used the opportunity, everything, he cancelled it. Ojoju Babangida náà, ṣẹ́tìrì. All the story àti gbogbo nǹkan tó fẹ́ lò wọ́n fún náà, àti contract táwọn náà, àwọn náà, Abiola náà gba owó ní gbìyànjú náà máa ń gbowó yẹn. To say Nigeria. Pastor Ogba. Now, ṣé mọ̀ pé Babangida pẹ̀lú àwọn tó sọ pé contest, I can, as a friend, I will hand over it to you, the government to you. But ó ti jojú wọn. Wọ́n sọ wá pé tí àwọn bá hand over, because anybody tó bá máa jẹ́ ẹni tó máa rule Nigeria bí láti gbà tí bàbá wa Babangida yẹn tó ti gbàjọba, tó ti kúrò lórí, tó ti rule, tó ti kúrò mẹ́, wọ́n fẹ́ ni tó yẹ pé he will succumb to him, he will obey him. He will not be there, he will step aside, but he will be the one controlling the nation. All right? Everybody shouted, Abasha, oh, Abasha, oh. Abasha was used. Up to date, all the people tó wà láyé, ta ló ti pay fún ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọn, ta ló dẹ̀ gbowó, ta ló dáwó padà. All the money they are telling you that they are collecting, they are returning, they say it's for Abasha. Do you think it's Abasha alone? Majority of some country, maybe this Qatar, they are mentioning Dubai alone. It's not Dubai alone that Nigeria has money. Qatar. When they started early then, it was Swiss. Àwọn obìnrin yẹn lè máa gbọ́ pé Swiss lace làwọn Swiss lace. Those people, they send our money to Switzerland. And that's why you see classic lady, gbogbo àwọn ìyàwó àwọn olówó tí mo rí tẹ́tọ́ yẹn, they wear Swiss. kò mí pé Swiss nìkan ló mọ aṣọ ṣe o, because our money go to Swiss, a lot of things our resources also go to Swiss, and Nigeria know how to waste things. Anyway, ṣá yẹn kọ́ mọ́ sọ. Pastors are very involved. Ṣé rí táìmù kan tí gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n yìnbọn pa àwọn ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì kan tí wọ́n ní gbogbo ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tí fada bá wà, fada tó wá ní ọjọ́ tí wọ́n decide láti pa Abiola tó wá pa Abacha àwọn fada yẹn náà wọ́n pè fún lára àwọn nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà yẹn. Ṣó ti yé yín? wọ́n ti tó bá pa ẹnìkan nípa àwọn tí ó bá ti gba brain wọn pé tí o bá kọ́kọ́ gbáyàn létí, tó bá gbá Muslim létí, original Muslim mo ń sọ, àwọn tó believe tó jẹ́ fanatism, wọ́n máa slap ẹ padà lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́wàá, wọn ò tí ì sinmi. But everybody will be fighting how this thing going to whatever the government to favor them. Abiola ti jojú Babangida yẹn, baba Abiola wọ́n jojú ẹ̀, wọn kò yẹn sílẹ̀. One thing about the nice people, ìtàpè ní niceness yẹn náà kì í ṣòwò wọn náà ni, but téèyàn ò bá tiẹ̀ má jòwé àtìlẹ́yìn tí ò ń ṣòwò ẹ̀gàn náà tó máa dẹ̀ akaka mọ́ bí ipò òun nìkan ló ní gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà. But ìjọba Babangida shop make and shop ni, but he play game. He thinks so fast, he acts so fast, very smart. Ojoojúmọ́ àwọn pásítọ̀ tí wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé àwọn Christian wọ́n mọ̀ pé Christian ni ìyàwó Babangida, gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ Christian lè máa ṣe rí pé bàbá wa náà ẹbọra òwú, àwọn náà ò gbẹ́yìn o. Tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ rí títí di ọ̀la, despite pé ó rẹ̀ pé ẹbọra òwú wọ́n sí ní ọ̀n bàbá Buhari, wọ́n sí ní ọ̀n Babangida. Tẹ́ bá rí pé gbogbo wọn, ẹ bá rí pé wọ́n ń ta síra wọn, ṣé mo pé wọ́n ń ta síra wọn? Ẹ ti rí kí Babangida kó fún bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ ní akólẹ́tì rẹ̀ kó ń fún wọn bíi pé my superior my kíríkọ̀. Ẹ ti yé bẹ́yẹn. Àwọn pastors wọ́n jà, wọ́n dẹ̀ wà nínú representative of United Nations. They go to meeting because they are fighting for that Bible tó náà fẹ́ pín fáwọn èèyàn gbà yẹn náà ti Abiola. Meanwhile, nítorí pé Abiola náà ti ṣe ti yẹ understand bẹ́yẹn, wọ́n ti believe pé ó ti ń betray, ó ti lè betray, tí Babangida ti believe pé ó betray àwọn, ó jojú àwọn náà. Àwọn náà ní kò lọ kò dẹ̀ ní dé power yẹn. Opportunity wà gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí Abiola ti wá ṣẹ̀ tó yẹ pé they are both sọ pé okay ṣé nǹkan tó ń ṣe nìyẹn, a dẹ̀ máa ṣe báyìí, ṣó láyà, torí ẹ̀ wọ́n máa ń wò. Go and check it. People always invest nínú àwọn èèyàn kan tó bá sọ pé wọ́n ní àyà wọ́n lè ṣe nǹkan. All things wọ́n ti wá lo Abiola náà fún, they now use it against him, and I am telling you, wọ́n wá tì wọ́n mọ́lé ẹ máa gbọ́ òkèlè mọ́ pé pásítọ̀ wà nínú wọn àti àwọn pope àti àwọn Europeans tó ń gbẹ́sẹ̀ wá nígbà tí wọ́n wá tì wọ́n mọ́lé yẹn Bible yẹn ni wọ́n wá make sure pé wọ́n kà àti tí wọ́n fi kú. wọ́n máa ní tó bá ka Bible yẹn á lè change ayé wọn, wọ́n á lè bóyá wọ́n máa rí, wọ́n á ní tó bá ti gba Jésù yẹn gbọ́ wọ́n á lè change bóyá wọn ò nípa wọn á lè fi wọ́n lẹ̀. Because when it get to a stage, Abiola wasn't fighting for the pé wọ́n fẹ́ di kíní kan, wọ́n fight for the freedom. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni wọ́n fẹ́ wà deliver gbogbo àwọn tó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ó ṣiṣẹ́ fún wọn gbà yẹn bí irú President Tinubu yìí náà. President Tinubu respect sa o yàwá wa able president my daddy ọmọ àlè ọmọ Abibat bàbá Abiba ọkọ Olúrẹ̀mí bàbá Ṣèyí bàbá Ṣadé ẹ káàárọ̀ sá o ẹ kú ojúmọ́. They have to wipe all of them but àná wọ́n wá lò ṣé kí n sọ tòótọ́ fún yín Babangida respect sir my father-in-law ẹ ṣé good morning sir wọ́n wà náà wọ́n tó lo Abacha because Abacha on his own Abacha burú wọ́n máa fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ náà ẹ mọ̀ wá ti mọ̀ nínú àwọn ọmọ tí bá ṣe wà lórí social media wọ́n mọ ẹni tó jẹ́ pé ṣẹ́rí tí wọ́n bá ti fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan burúkú ń sìn tó máa support wọn ìbọn náà máa gbé lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀sà board ìbáàjò lè ló ń jà tó bá ti san owó ó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n gbé wọ́n mú everybody nínú gbogbo àwọn gbogbo àwọn tó jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ àwọn junior colleague wọ́n mú nǹkan tó everybody up to wọ́n mọ nǹkan tó lè ṣe. Babangida bàbá wa yẹn your excellence sir àwọn ló lo Abacha wọ́n ṣe sẹ́pà àwọn ń bẹ̀rù mo rí nínú news pé I was afraid of Abacha then wọ́n dẹ̀ ní àwọn kọ́ làwọn pàdé léegi wá just like bí mo ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó má ti rí ẹ pé o mọ àwọn some story should I tell you the truth? When they know that you know some story, they don't want such people alive. If they know that you know some story, like all these things, they are very expensive, but people don't count it. People count it actually, but it's too heavy for some people here. And some people, they are not watching it also because they are discouraging me not to say it. But my life is at stake. That's why I have to say it. Because some of them, they don't have forgiving spirit. Because they make their secrets very, very evil activities. They make it a priority, like, because that's where they get money. And if the secret is open, it's like you are trying to block their way. And anybody try to block their way, they try to take the person out of the road. And that's what happened to the whole world today, that gbogbo àgbáyé bàjẹ́. Some people who are exposing each other now these days, do you know what they are doing? One must say, okay, even when we say the truth, we are still going to die. We say the truth, you die. You don't say the truth, you still die. Like even if people don't kill you, you are still going to die one day. Okay, let us kukuma say the truth and cure all the disease that this trouble has given. Because the trouble is a trouble. What they are doing is a trouble, is a disease to the system. They use Abacha. And before they can use it also for something, ó lè ti ṣe wọ́n. Ṣé mọ̀ wípé Abacha is a little junior to Babangida? Yes, he's the one that next to Babangida. No, in their level they have a lot of that rank that actually the same rank with Abacha also. But when you look at Abacha, it's a systematically complete. He's trying to compete with Babangida. Babangida marry, although they are doing like competition. His wife, their wife they are both Miriam. Almost the same height. Abacha was used and dumped and killed. By the time, if Abacha is not killed, they believe that some secret that is coming out today that people know, they believe that secret will not be open. They don't want the secret to be open. And that is why after that they don't say pé she meeting when those people visited from Pileton, she meeting after doing the meeting, Pope also partaker and pastor, all this thing, because people who represent Pope are pastors. Who represent Christian, money Pope. People who represent Christianity then was our Pope when. And the Pope, the judgment now is that Abiola ó ti dá Bible sómi o tí wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ pín fáwọn èèyàn, and he's also busy building mosques, so he has to be killed. Babangida knows everything. Bọ́n ṣe yẹn tán, wọ́n gba Ṣónẹ́kàn jáde. Nígbà tán dẹ̀ pa bàbá tán pa Abacha tán, wọ́n dẹ̀ swap bàbá tibí tó tún burú yẹn náà sí. Àwọn méjì yẹn wọ́n burú gan. Abdulsalam. Ṣé mọ̀ pé bàbá Buhari Babangida sì ṣé mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti gentle. Ṣé mọ̀ pé wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ní wọ́n ti born again, like kì í ṣe Christian kì í ṣe bọ̀ wọ́n ti. He won't be for the rest of his life. He just want to be free in the society and say sorry, and he said he want to be responsible for whatever he has done. And come on, there, padà wá sí sùtà come on. Everyone should donate to fún pé you too, you are nice, you are nice, you are nice, you are nice. Because shop maker shop, you know. But if he betray them, they will kill you for it. They now accept, agree on it. Him too agreed. There's no meeting that happened there that is not aware. That is not particular. And they agreed to just kill him. That's the killing. Christians don't forgive too. The way they used to say that the Muslim people kill. Christians too, they kill. Look at all the stories that I'm telling you about them. Ìyàwó Babangida is a Christian by birth. Baba wa yìí, go and check all of them. Eventually, kó tó bá jẹ́ president tó yẹ pé if you are, as an head of state, ẹni tí wọ́n ń béèrè opinion wọn tí wọ́n fi yà jẹ dáadáa tí wọ́n ń béèrè opinion ẹ̀ ó ní Babangida ṣe débi pé nobody will ask for the opinion, so Baba Buhari, and Baba Buhari is also senior colleagues. I think he's next to Baba Ebora Ogunbosewani. So the two of them, they are like threats to Babangida. And then never Baba Ebora Baba Obasanjo, he will never he's not, he didn't know all this, And that's why you see all of them, they used to be afraid also the moment they are no longer in power. Because they know power is powerful. They know the way they have used their own. So anybody turn, they know it's powerful. They have no choice than to bow. Power is powerful. Those seats that they used to sit, just sit in one seat like that, one seat, single seat, that you control. They're telling you that you have power, and to control the whole nation, defense, police, DSS, every authority in that nation, they're giving you the flag. You can go and control it.
Kí lẹ́yìn náà rí sí nǹkan tí Auto Bola sọ yìí? Ẹ wò ẹ ká opinion yín ní comment section. Tó bá yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tó ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, bá a subscribe kó like kó comment kó share, wàá lè máa jẹun àǹfààní content yìí ní ìgbàkúgbà lóòrèkóòrè tá a bá fi lè ta, wàá lè máa fi ṣe ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye. Kẹ́yìn náà ti gbọ́ nǹkan tí Auto Bola sọ, ẹ rí i pé mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ wò àwọn ò ní tako ẹnikẹ́ni lórí ìkànnì wa. Ọ̀pá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀ kò ṣeé pé jù. Àní máa ríra wa jù báyìí lọ. Ó dàbọ̀.